The risk summary portion of ARMOR provides a single-line view for active accounts risk throughout the day. Values are updated throughout the day and are calculated in US dollars. If you hover the mouse over the word ARMOR to the left of the screen, you will see a drop-down list of several divisions of ARMOR. Select Risk Summary from the list at the left. This page should populate automatically. In the case the page appears blank, simply click anywhere on the page or the green filter button and it will populate. This page refreshes throughout the day as positions change. Take the mouse and hover over the numbers in the NLV, Net Liquidating Value column, to view the time of the last update. The screen can be designed to your personal liking. Click on a column header and hold down the left side of the mouse and drag the mouse across the page. Let up on the mouse when you have the column where you want it. Notice the NLV column is now the fifth column versus the first column in the previous slide. Columns can be made bigger or smaller by placing the cursor on the dividing line between columns. Hold the mouse down and drag left to widen or drag right to narrow the column. When the desired width has been obtained, let up on the mouse. There are many columns on this screen, some of which will have value to you and some that may be of no interest to you. Hover the mouse over the column headings to see the full name of each column. Click on the arrow on the right side of each column heading to see a drop-down list. Click on the sort line to sort columns in ascending or descending order. Click on the arrow in the columns line to see a drop-down list of all the columns that can be displayed on the screen. You can check all the ones you wish to be displayed and uncheck all the ones you wish not to be displayed. Click on the box to the left of the item to select or deselect that item. Changes will be saved automatically. Changes to the columns displayed or not displayed can be made at any time or as often as you'd like. Click on the arrow to the right of the word filter. The drop-down box will provide a filter option for values for those columns that have values in them. Click on the arrow to the right of the column heading Account Name. Click on Filter, which is highlighted in blue, to see a drop-down box to search for an account by name if the account number is not known. Enter at least the first 4 characters of the account name or the last name and click on the word Filter. The account name should appear in the Account Name column. Right-click on a row as indicated by the yellow arrow to see a drop-down list. Click on any line in the list to access additional information on a particular account. Column headers that have a down arrow will have the same drop-down list, sort, columns, and filter as shown previously. Click on the arrow in the first column on the left side to view additional information. The bottom part of the screen displays the items that make up the net total in the top screen. In addition, the price of the trade and date and the date the trade was made is displayed in this. In this example, the trade was to buy 10 August 2016 soybeans at 904.5 on October 23, 2015. The price is displayed in U.S. currency, so in this example the price is $9.04.5. Data is real-time. Go back to the Risk Summary tab, noted in the green at the top left side of the screen. Right-click on an account and select Add to Personal Watch List from the drop-down list to create a personal watch list. You can only create a personal watch list from the Risk Summary screen. The risk summary screen can hold up to 10 separate profiles. Select profile criteria from the selections above the column, whether it be account numbers, sales code, exchange contract. Then name the profile, check the As New box, and then click Save Profile. Click on the arrow in the Show All field to the left of the screen and select one of the profiles available to view. To create a profile by the sales code, type the first letter of the salesperson's first name and the first 4 characters of the last name, 5 characters in total, in the sales code field. Name the profile, click As New, click Save Profile. Once the profile is saved, confirmation is sent, a green box at the top right of the screen. To create profile from the account number field, type the account numbers separated by commas with no spaces in the account number field. Click on the arrow in the Show All field to the far left of the top screen to see profiles that are available for viewing. Select one from the drop-down list, highlighted in blue, in the bottom screen. To delete a profile, click on the Delete Profile field. This concludes the risk summary portion of ARMOR. For questions about the risk summary portion, please contact CHS Hedging at 1-800-328-6530.